Hey everyone, it's Regine, US Brand Ambassador for Pinot Grigio Delle Venezie. I have spent the last 2 months showing you how Pinot Grigio Delle Venezie pairs with so many different foods. I had 6 of my favorite influencers create recipes. Check out at Shall We Wine or check out Delle Venezie on Instagram. You'll find all the recipes. Now, for those of you who don't like to cook, I got one last thing for you. This is my favorite chip board. All of these chips can be found at Trader Joe's. And if you're having one of those nights where you're like, oh, I don't feel like cooking, I don't want to do anything, try these. Okay, so this is a lentil crisp, super delicious. You can also use this for like if you're doing a cheese plate, oh good. And then I have, this is a chile and lime tortilla chip. And of course for my Haitian people, I have plantain chips. So 3 different chips, 3 different flavor profiles, 1 wine, Pinot Grigio Delle Venezie. It will pair well with this and so many of your favorite recipes. Thanks for watching our series. Cheers.